Lesson number 20. In the world of stars. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with appropriate word given in the brackets. First, when seen from a great distance, the sky seems to be touching the ground along a circle. This circle is called the horizon. Second, the meridian is used while defining the zodiac sign. Third, classified according to seasons, one season will have 9 nakshatras. Fourth, the rising of the sun in the east and its setting to the west is the apparent motion of the sun. Fifth, a straight line passing through the 3 middle stars of Mrug Nakshatra Orion constellation reaches a bright star called Sirius. Sixth, pole star has Saptarshi constellation on one side and Sharmishta constellation on the other side. Question number 2. Correct the following statements. First, on a sky map, south is shown at the bottom and north is shown at the top of the map. Answer. On a sky map, north is shown at the bottom and south is shown at the top of the map. Second, in December, the Great Bear constellation rises on the horizon at 8 p.m. in the northeast direction. Answer. In December, Mruga Nakshatra constellation rises on the horizon at 8 p.m. in northeast direction. Third, in February, Orion rises at 8 p.m. on eastern horizon. Answer. In February, the Great Bear rises at 8 p.m. on eastern horizon. Fourth, as Cassiopeia constellation sets, the Great Bear constellation rises. Answer. As Sharmishta sets, Saptarshi constellation rises. Fifth, Orion is easily seen on a summer nights. Answer. Saptarshi is easily seen on a summer nights. Question number 3. Match the columns. First, nebula, dust and hydrogen gas. Second, zodiac sign, equal parts of a celestial sphere. Third, nakshatra name, Yogatra. Fourth, Scorpio constellation and tennis. Fifth, nakshatra, traversing by moon. Question number 4. Explain the following terms. First, zenith. While standing on the ground, the point on the celestial sphere exactly above our head. Second, nadir. While standing on the ground, the point on the celestial sphere exactly below our feet. Third, celestial poles. If the axis of rotation of the earth is extended in north and south direction, it penetrates the celestial sphere at the points called as celestial poles. Fourth, meridian. The great circle which passes through both the celestial poles and observers zenith and nadir. Fifth, celestial equator. If we uniformly expand Earth's equator in all directions indefinitely, it will penetrate the celestial sphere along a circle. Sixth, ecliptic. The circle describing the apparent motion of the sun around the earth is called ecliptic. 7. Zodiac sign. The ecliptic is divided into 12 equal parts, each part substance 30 degrees at the center. Each part is zodiac sign. 8. Nakshatra. The portion traversed by a moon in one day is called nakshatra. Question number 5. Name the following. First, constellation seen on the meridian in February. Answer. Mrug Nakshatra or Orion. Second, brightest star in the Scorpio constellation. Answer. Jyeshtha or Antares. Third, apparent motion of the sun. Ecliptic. Fourth, institute located at Pune that carries out fundamental research in astronomy. Answer. Inter-University Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics. Fifth, clouds made up of hydrogen gas and dust particles. Answer. Nebula. Sixth, continuous emptiness between stars and planes. Answer. Space. Seventh, brightest star that helps in identifying a constellation. Answer. Pole star. Question number 6. Answer the following. First, a star rises at 8 p.m. tonight. At what time will it rise after a month? Why? Answer. It will rise at 5:24 p.m. after a month. This happens due to the motion of Earth around the Sun and the Moon around Earth, which affects the duration of stars. Second, what is meant by the Sun enters Nakshatra? It is said that in a rainy season, Sun enters Mrug Nakshatra. What does it mean? Answer. As the Earth changes its position, a different constellation or zodiac sign or Rashi appears behind Sun. This is what meant by the Sun enters Nakshatra. In rainy season, due to the pursued motion of a Sun, it enters Mrug Nakshatra. Third, what is constellation? Answer. A group of stars occupying a small portion of the celestial sphere is called a constellation. 4. Write a paragraph on a birth in the life cycle of a star using figures on page 201. Answer. Stars are born of a nebula. Nebula are clouds made of mainly of hydrogen gas and dust particles. The particles in these clouds are attracted towards one another due to force of gravity. As a result, the cloud contracts and becomes dense and spherical in shape. At the same time, the pressure of the gas at the core of a cloud increases, causing temperature to rise tremendously, and energy generation process starts over there. Such a spherical cloud is called a star. Later processes such as contraction, expansion, rise in temperature, etc. bring about changes in the nature of the star. Fifth, why is a pole star important in sky observation? Answer. Identifying the pole star in a north makes the sky watch easier. Hence, the pole star should be used as a reference point from sky watch. The pole star has a substantia on one side and Sarmishta on the other side. 6. What is the relation between the Great Bear, Cassiopeia and pole star? Answer. The Great Bear is in the shape of a quadrangle with a tail made up of 3 stars resembling a kite. If we extend one side of the quadrangle, it reaches pole star. The constellation of a Great Bear and a Cassiopeia are useful in locating pole star. The perpendicular bisector of the lining joining the third and the fourth stars in Cassiopeia goes towards the pole star.